can get out and take a picture of you.
Oh. Roger that.
This is what we didn't do last
Now guys, just heads up on this dike thing when you get to the end. If you want a spot, don't be afraid to ask because it is a tricky place.
Okie dokie. Yeah, we didn't do this one last year. WB5 THT.
KK4RAK. No, I don't do this every year. Okay.
No, we've never done this.
We're supposed to wait. Oh yeah, it is narrow. You're good.
Good?
Yeah?
Oh, I just have to keep this dinger right in the center.
Go passenger. Passenger.
Okay.
Right there. Passenger. 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 Good. Straight. Passenger. A little bit. Passenger, dear Johnny. Passenger.
Come on.
Passenger, a little bit. That's it. Passenger now. Passenger. Passenger. You're good.
Oh, look at that whoop-de-whoop. Hey, look at this whoop-de-whoop here. Cool.
Can't see where you're going.
Yeah.
What was this mine?
I don't know.
But you're supposed to know.
Looks like you just straight up.
Reminds you of breakovers in Peloton. This is like the breakovers in Peloton Canyon.
When you get up here, don't look now, concentrate on your driving, but there's still a big thing of ice and snow in the mine.